Alright, time to go check out Cape Trib and all the way down to Mossman Gorge today. Looking forward to it. Alright, I'm in the thick of it here. Have a look behind me. We've got a croc territory, and then this way we've got cassowary territory. Like this, if there's ever a chance that I'm going to see both of them in the wild, this is it. Wish me luck, guys. Doing something a bit out of the ordinary for me. A U-turn. Lost again. Might have to get the water bottle out. Give this windscreen a bit of a wash. Easiest method, but it works. How cool is this place? Cow Bay in Daintree. Good is that? Rainforest meets the sea. Oh my God, it's happened. There's a cassowary. Woo! Finally! Look at him. Hey, buddy. I can't believe I was starting to think that they were a myth or in the fish species or something because I couldn't see one. Might try and get a photo. It seriously has made my day. He's not even running away. Now we've got another legend in the car park. Over 60. On the roids without a doubt. Check out the size of him. He's been a bit rude. He's got his lipstick out. So I'm currently trying to find where you cross the Daintree river without the ferry, just for a squiz. Once again I feel as though I'm lost. This 2 kilometres that it was supposed to be has turned into a lot more. Yep, I think this is someone's driveway. I might need to turn around. Right, just seen the sign. I've officially entered private property. So, another U-turn. Try my luck again for another photo op. Mr. Bully over there. Let's see if he stays around or runs away like the last lot. Could be wrong, but I think the old feet kick thing's not a friendly gesture. I think that was a no to a photo. So things could end up a little bit moist rather soon. Might be hanging out in the camp kitchen tonight. So it's confirmed. It's definitely gotten moist. No warning out, so I'm just kicking back under the brolly, hoping that things aren't too moist in there.